Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 17 of me learning English with an American accent. So yesterday I talked about like shadowing thing, like shadowing, right? But before I tell you what I'm doing, so if you're new here, let me tell you. So I'm doing a 6 month challenge where I'll learn English with an American accent. That's my goal for now. So that's why I created my YouTube channel, and also I created a Discord server if you didn't know. So you can learn English here and you can do a lot of things. As you can see, you can read this by pausing the video, and also you can share tips and tricks, helpful, like there is a lot of videos that might help you, resources, tongue twisters. You can ask for help, and also you can talk to each other here. But right now we're a few people in the server, but maybe this server will get bigger. So yeah, if you're learning English or you're like someone that also learning English, you can give the link to him. And yeah, and if you already learn English out, like you're a native language speaker, you can, like native English speaker, you can join the server. You might help us, we would really appreciate that. So yeah, you can join the Discord server from here. As you can see, here's the link in my bio. So yeah, yesterday I talked about shadowing. So I did shadow today some videos, you can see. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Like I created this channel for sharing my journey and everything. So I'm not here for views or subscribers. You can tell, like, here's the views. As you can see, 1 views in the last 60 minutes, which is kinda suck. But I'm not here for views or likes or subscribers or anything. I just want to make videos. You guys probably wondering why I'm sound like this, because it's literally 1 a.m. right now and I need to sleep. I will sleep after finishing the recording. So yeah, my voice sounds so weird. I know. So yeah, I think this is it. But from now I'll just talk about what I'm doing. Not only like what if I show you my channel, you can see like every single day I do something like new, But from now, I think I'll just tell you guys what I did today and what I'll do like in the future. Like, you know what I'm saying. My English is so bad, guys. So please just ignore. So yeah, as you can see, this is my last video, day 16. You can watch that video. And also you can watch my other videos if you wanna see them. So yeah, this is the video. So yes, tomorrow I'll probably do shadowing again, because shadowing really does work, and shadowing is a really good technique to learn English with a good pronunciation. I don't know how my accent is, how my English is, but I can tell you that my English is getting better. I don't know about my accent, because I really don't focusing on accent that much, but I should, and I'll do that from tomorrow. So yeah, there are like some kind of words that I can't pronounce still, but yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know what to say. I just want to like be motivated and consistent. That's why I'm uploading and making this video. This is 6 months challenge, and yeah, this is day 17. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.